Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, on my screen right now, I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the BUAS EA developed by Ahmad and Isnain Shofwan. From what I can see here, this is a MetaTrader expert advisor, but the listing itself doesn't clearly, specify if there is an MT5 version, but obviously we can see that this is the MT4 version of the expert advisor. All right. Now the EA is currently priced at 2,369 US dollars with a rental option of 369 US dollars per month. And I can see version 7.4 updated on 19th October 2025 with 7 activations available. So it is positioned more like a professional grade tool rather than a basic retail EA. Now, looking at the description, BUAS EA is described as a hybrid grid breakout system. What stands out immediately is that it doesn't rely on indicators for entry signals. Instead, it places buy stop and sell stop pending orders around price and waits for a breakout to trigger one side. As I scroll further, I can see the adaptive asymmetric grid logic. This is interesting because it uses EMA, ADX, and RSI to generate a bias score, which then adjusts how the grid is distributed between buy and sell sides. It also mentions ATR-based scaling, meaning spacing adjusts depending on volatility conditions. There is also a dual trading system, one based on equity in money terms and another based on ATR. So it's trying to protect profit both from an account level perspective and a price action volatility perspective. Now, another important section is the on chart console. All right. This basically turns the EA into a control panel where you can manually open cycles, close trades, adjust SL and TP, manage trailing, or even reset operations without leaving the chart. Now I'm going to move into the strategy tester and run through historical data to see how this logic behaves over time. All right. Let's just head over to our strategy tester. We're testing the BUAS EA on gold on the H4 time frame. And as you can see, I ran the test over the past month. Okay, so I recommend running the test in your own convenience, right? During your convenience, I recommend running this test over a longer period of time because obviously 1 month is not sufficient enough to conclude on the EA's performance. Okay, so run over a longer period of time so you can capture more market data. But then looking at the report over the past month, we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was $2,223.1, and there were 178 trades taken. Wow. And short positions were 92 with 95.65% win rate. Long positions were 86 with 98.84% win rate. The win rate is pretty amazing. Now, the largest profit was $380 and the largest loss was $1,036.4. Okay, largest profit 380.16, average profit 25.3, average loss 430.68. Now, one thing I noticed from this system is that the win rate is one of the main factors that caused this total net profit, because you can see based on the average profit and average loss, I can say the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, right? If you are judging from the average profit and average loss, of course, that also considers, when you consider the total trade taken and then using the average to judge, you can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is so far apart, right? The difference is so much. So it is the win rate that largely contributed to this positive total net profit. Now, in order for us to also see the EA in action, and for us to be able to relate with some of the information we saw there on the MQL5 Marketplace page, let us just turn on the visual mode, and let us see how the EA, you know how it looks like in action. Okay, so we can also see the dashboard, right? You can see the dashboard here, like we already saw on the MQ5 Marketplace, that makes the EA looks like, like a control panel, right? Console. So the on chart console that we talked about. Okay, so we can see that here. So as the back test of other arts, we analyze the chart performance, or rather the trade performance of the EA while it's in action. We can see I'm mainly observing how the grid activation reacts after breakouts, and how the trailing mechanisms manage open exposure during extended movement phases and ranging conditions. Now, what is important here is that this is historical testing performance, right? So it simply shows how the EA behaved under past conditions, right? Results can vary significantly depending on broker conditions, spread, risk settings, and lot configuration. So looking at the chart activity, the strategic logic is clearly built around capture, structured breakout capture with layered grid positioning and adaptive risk adjustment, rather than prediction based entries. Okay, so we can see what's going on here already. Right, the EA is also displaying today's net profits, and then other important information here, right, alongside the on chart console. Okay, so overall, the BUAS EA is positioned as a highly structured, control heavy, automated system for users who want full execution management through a single interface. All right, and but like all grid based systems, proper risk control and long-term testing are essential. All right, before considering any live deployment, it is very, very important that you test this EA extensively. Okay, and then you are comfortable with the results you see. You can test it across different assets, different time frames, for you to see how it performs across those different conditions, right, before you consider any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.